Who is left to act as a check on the government doing anything it wants? Donald Trump went on the social media network that he owns and called this judge a radical left lunatic who should be impeached. And this then led the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, John Roberts, to rebuke the president and say it's not appropriate when you disagree with the ruling of a court to then say the judge should be removed from his position. The judiciary acts as a brake on the executive. If the government, the executive, overstretches its power, tries to do things that it's not allowed to do, you can go to the courts and the courts can stop them if the government will follow the rulings of the court. If a government then says it will not follow the rulings of a court, if it says that it doesn't believe that the ruling applies, or that the judge has made a mistake, or that the judge is politically motivated by his dislike of Donald Trump or whatever, who is left to act as a check on the government doing anything it wants? There is a disregard for court orders, a disregard for the judicial system. There are elements of this that appear to breach the Constitution, and you would imagine eventually a higher court is going to rule that. But in the meantime, what is the effect on the right to protest? Protesters can now be picked up off the street and sent to another state. Donald Trump has said that he will treat vandalism of Teslas and Tesla showrooms as an act of domestic terrorism. What is there to stop any of this if the court system has no power over the executive? If the judiciary has no power over the executive, if the courts can't stop a government acting outside the law, what safeguard is left?